Hey, what's up guys, this is Ali from isocialyou.com and welcome back to my channel. Guess what? Instagram now has a dark mode. So if you have iOS 13 or Android, I believe the latest version 10, you can use Instagram in your favorite dark mode. Let me show you how inside this video, but before we do that, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get all of the future videos and the notifications. All right, so it's actually a couple of steps that you need to do, and I personally use iPhone, so I'm gonna walk you through the process of how to use Instagram in dark mode on iPhone. So as you can see right now, it's not the dark mode. So first thing you want to make sure, I'm gonna go to my settings and then general and software update. So make sure your software is the latest, and mine is. Software is up to date. Let's go back. And I believe you have to have iOS 13 or the latest. For Android, it might be Android 10. All right, so let's go back. I'm gonna go back to the settings, and now I'm gonna go to display and brightness, which is right here, and click on that. And then here is the light mode and dark mode. So I'm gonna click on that and then look at that. So now my iPhone this is the dark mode. Look at that, super awesome. Right now let's go to my Instagram, and now check this out. How cool is that? So this is all the dark mode on Instagram. You don't have to do anything fancy. You don't have to do install any other like tools or softwares. Here's actually something that I had to do. When I first did this, I switched my iPhone settings to the dark mode, but my Instagram was not in dark mode, so I had to delete my Instagram and then reinstall it. So for you, if you can't see the dark mode on Instagram, maybe try that. But it's super awesome, really good for your eyes, and I know a lot of people were actually waiting for this update to come, and it's here now. So 2 steps. Number 1, make sure you have the latest iOS or Android software, and then step number 2, go to the settings and make sure your phone is in the dark mode, and then when you go open the Instagram, you'll see the dark mode there. And like I said, if you don't see it, make sure you delete Instagram and get the latest app from the App Store or Google Play Store. All right guys, this is it. Thank you so much for watching, and before you go, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon. This channel is all about marketing hacks, tactics, trends, new features like this one. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get all of my future videos. I will see you next time. Thank you so much for stopping by. Bye.